Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP25 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Reward Reality. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EHP 25 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Review Reality. We move to the main project steps. So total step is 13. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, start a Excel download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 4 ml2. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the exp25 Excel chapter 4 ml2 home. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, freeze the pen so that the column label do not scroll the off screen. So next, go to the view tabs and to the window groups and click the freeze the top row so that the column label do not the screen the off screen. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, convert the data to table and name the table as cell. So go to the Excel worksheet and go to the insert tabs, go to the table groups and click the table and click OK and next, and the name of the table is sales. So copy the table name is sales, table name is sales and press enter. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, apply the purple table style dark 10. So next, apply the purple table style dark 10. So next, play the purple table style dog 10. 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 Click OK. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, remove the duplicate record from the table. Excel should find and remove the duplicate record. Next, remove the duplicate record from the table. Go to the Excel worksheet, and next go to the table design tabs, go to the tool groups and click the remove duplicate records. Click OK. So a duplicate value found and remove the 81 unique record value remain, and note that the count may include the empty. And click OK. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, add a new column in column I, name the days on market, and use the unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market, date, sale date minus listing date in column I, and set the width of column with this 14. Add the new column days on market, add the days on column and press enter, and use the unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market, sale date minus listing date. So next, sale date, sale date minus listing date, and press enter, and next set the column I with 14. Select the column I, right clicks and click the column with this 14 and click OK. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, apply the total row to the sale table and set the selling price and days on market total to average. So apply the totals, go to the table design tabs and go to the table style option and click the total row, and next to the total row sales table and set the selling price and days on market to average. set the selling price. So next set the selling price, average, and next days on market is total average, and click average. Days on market total to average. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.